Okay, and welcome back for more English practice. My name is Julie, and I'm happy you're here. There is one way to learn English, and that's to repeat, repeat, repeat. Why do we repeat? We want to repeat so that when we're speaking, the words come from here out of your mouth. The more you practice, the more you repeat, you will think and speak. You will not think and then speak. So practice, practice, repeat, repeat means the words in your mind will come out of your mouth when you speak. Today, we are going to practice answering the question, where is it? Where is it? We are going to use prepositions of place. Prepositions answer the question, where is it? Let's practice. Where is the apple? On the table. The apple is on the table. Where is the apple? On the table. Where is the apple? Under the table. The apple is under the table. Under. Where is the apple? Next to the box. The apple is next to the box. Next to. It's two words, next to. But really the words come together when we speak. Next to, next to, next to. The apple is next to the box. Where is the apple? Between the tables. The apple is between the tables. The apple is between the tables. Between. Where is the apple? In the box. The apple is in the box. The apple is in the box. In. Where is the apple? Above the box. The apple is above the box. Above. Where is the apple? In front of the box. In front of the box. The apple is in front of the box. In front of. Where is the apple? Behind the box. Behind the box. The apple is behind the box. Behind. Where is the apple? Across from. Across from. The apple is across from the box. The apple is across from the box. Across from. Let's look now at some pictures of kitchens and answer some questions. Where is the coffee pot? Where is the coffee pot? It's on the counter. It's on the counter. It's next to the fridge. It's next to the fridge. Where is the kettle? I can also say where's. Where's the kettle? It's on the stove. It's on the stove. It's next to the sink. It's next to the sink. Where's the fridge? Where is the fridge? It's next to the cabinets. It's next to the cabinets. It's next to the microwave. It's next to the microwave. It's on the floor. It's in front of the wall. Where is the oven mitt? Where is the oven mitt? It's under the cabinets. It's under the cabinets. It's next to the coffee cup. It's next to the coffee cup. Where is the island? Where is the island? Do not say the S. Island. Where is the island? It's in front of the stoves. It's in front of the stoves. Where are the utensils? Where are the utensils? They are above the island. They're above the island. Where is the sink? Where is the sink? It's under the microwave. It's under the microwave. It's next to the drawers. It's next to the drawers. Where are the drawers? Where are the drawers? They're under the knives. They're under the knives. They're between the stove and the sink. They're between the stove and the sink. Where is the window? Where is the window? It's behind the plant. It's behind the plant. It's next to the fridge. It's next to the fridge. Where is the clock? Where is the clock? It's on the wall. It's on the wall. It's above the fridge. It's above the fridge. Where is the sink? Where is the sink? It's between the drawers and the stove. It's between the drawers and the stove. It's under the shelf. It's under the shelf. Where is the plant? Where is the plant? It's between the fridge and the sink. It's between the fridge and the sink. It's under the microwave. It's under the microwave. It's on the counter. It's on the counter. Where is the blender? Where is the blender? It's in the cabinet. It's in the cabinet. It's above the frying pans. It's above the frying pans. Where is the table? Where is the table? It's in front of the cabinets. It's in front of the cabinets. It's between the chairs. It's between the chairs. Where is the toaster? Where is the toaster? It's on the counter. It's on the counter. It's between the microwave and it is not between the microwave and the stove. That's a mistake. A better answer is it's between the microwave and the dishwasher. It's between the microwave and the dishwasher. Don't read that, it's wrong. Where is the pot? Where is the pot? It's on the stove. It's on the stove. Where is the coffee pot? Where is the coffee pot? It's on the table. It's between the coffee cups. It's between the coffee cups. Where are the plates? Where are the plates? They're in the dishwasher. They're in the dishwasher. And let's review. Where is it? In front of. In front of. Where is it? In. In. Where is it? Under. Under. Where is it? Next to. Next to. Where is it? Across from. Across from. Where is it? Where is it? Behind. 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 Long E, long I. Behind. Where is it? Between. Between. Where is it? On. On. That's all for now. Let me find you back. That's another practice session for prepositions in the kitchen. I have one thing for you to do. Please, I would like you to take your phone and go to your kitchen and take a picture. Okay? Take a picture of your kitchen. Put the picture on WhatsApp, or the picture can go in an email. Then write 5 sentences about your picture. Where is the fridge? Next to the stove? Next to the wall? Where is the sink? Under a cabinet? Please write 5 sentences. So, post a picture on WhatsApp. Take a picture of your kitchen. Then write 5 sentences about your picture. Answer the question, where is it? Okay, so the table is under the window. The sink is under the cabinet. The teapot is on the counter. The plates are in the cabinet. Okay, 5 sentences writing on WhatsApp about your kitchen. And please send a picture. And then all of us can enjoy looking at each other's kitchens. Okay, I'll see you later. Happy practicing for English. I'm glad you could spend more time online today. Bye-bye. See you next time.